All right, so I'm trying something different today. Um, Here I am on my Stadia account. I have it logged onto my Chrome browser on my ASUS gaming laptop, Windows 10, and I thought I'd record and give it a shot. See how it comes out. Um, Today is May the 4th, um, and Star Wars. This is Star Wars Day, and Stadia has just made Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order uh, free for Stadia Pro members. So if you pay the $10 a month for the subscription service, you get to claim pro games, and this is a brand new pro game for Stadia. So I thought I'd record some gameplay and try it out. So here we go. This is Star Wars Fallen Order for Stadia. Just loading it up now. And this is pretty cool, man. I love Stadia. I am pretty biased. I do love the service. It's amazing, the technology, what Google has created here. Um, you don't have to worry about storage capacity, storage space. You don't have to worry about installs. You don't have to worry about updates. You just buy the game or claim the game like I did here, and you just play it. All you got to do is, you got to have a pretty fast internet, at least 35 megs or more. I'm fortunate I have a 1 gigabyte per second Verizon Fios internet connection, so it's pretty awesome, and you can play it anywhere. That's what I love about it. You can play it anywhere. I have a Razer Kishi controller that you add to a smartphone, and you can play it like a Switch Pro. It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. All right, start new journey. Let's give that a try. Let's see, story mode, Jedi Knight, Jedi Master. Players who are new to melee action games and desire forgiving combat challenge. Story mode. Players who want to focus more on the story and desire minimal combat challenge. I want to fight. Players who are familiar with melee action games and desire a challenge. I think I'll do Jedi Knight. I gotta hold the A button down. This is pretty awesome. I mean, getting the game for free today, that's pretty cool. Now loading. Looks pretty damn good. Now, mind you, I do play Stadia, and I have gaming PCs, and I have a PS5, and I still play Stadia. So the quality is there. I think this is running at 4K. I mean, my laptop is 1080p. My recording software is 1080p, so, but it's actually running, I believe, at 4K.
Listen, I don't want to upset your rhythm, Cal, but the boss wants a word. It's gonna be good for us. Here he is, Chief.
An error has been detected on line 10A. All our clamps are jammed. I need 2 workers to climb up and secure the cables.
That's not an easy maneuver.
The gal will double your pay for this shift.
Come on, Cal. What's her score? That couldn't hurt. Huh?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Get to work.
This way.
I'm right behind you.
Wow. Looks really good.
Didn't pay me enough to salvage live munitions.
Sorry, Cal.
Don't worry about it.
I don't think these tools are gonna make it through the shift.
Up here.
You say that every time.
After you, kid.
Well, I have this for Steam, I believe. It looks just as good.
Look at that.
I don't really see a difference.
Ship. Haven't seen a Luke or Hulk in ages.
Yeah. Ages.
Breaking her will be big money.
And I didn't install this game.
All right.
I just claimed it as free and press play. This is the quality you get on Stadia. Wow, it's really good.
Heads up.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
How the heck do I get up there?
Out, though. Gonna have to find another way.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice.
Depart this barge immediately. You are not approved trash.
And trash? Just not approved trash.
Nice. I'm not approved trash. I've been called worse. Ah. Tarzan.
Easy there.
Just passing through.
Oh, it's running really good. Very impressive. Okay, do I jump up here? L2 to jump. Ah.
Hurry up! We're close to finishing ahead of schedule. I can just about taste the credits. It's gonna be a wild night tonight. Let's get this job done.
Oh, oh wow.
Reckless
Oh,
cow.
Good to see you.
You too. You'll get yourself killed.
That's the idea.
Nice. Where the heck do I go now? Ah.
Sounds like scrap rats. Creepy. Just passing through, guys. No need to come out and say hi this time.
If they're anything like New York City rats, you definitely don't want to mess with them. Ooh.
Hey, Cal, I'll meet you at the clamps.
Sounds good. Be there soon.
Need to drop down. Nice. Oh man. I don't know what I did there. Oh. I guess I gotta hold L2? Yeah, I guess. Hold L2 there. But you will fall. Let's press B to go down. There you go.
You get here.
How'd you get here?
Good question. Look, you saw all the stuff I had to do to get here. How did you get there? Oh, damn. What do I do now? Oh, it's like a rope. Ooh. Okay, I'm starting to get a little bit of the hang of this. Oh, right on cue. So much for getting the hang of this. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Ah, I had to hit L2 again. So you hit... Oh, no. You hit B. Oh, good job. Well, I think you kind of got the hang of it. This is what Stadia Jedi Fallen Order looks like on Stadia. So I just wanted to make a quick video, tell you guys about Stadia Cloud Gaming, the quality. It's May the 4th. The fact that they made Jedi Fallen Order available for free for Pro members with the $10 subscription. So definitely something to look into. I love mine. I love my Stadia. So if you guys haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with family and friends, and hit the bell notification so you'll find out first when I put up new videos. So let me know what you guys think of this gameplay and this video I did today. Okay, I'm kind of testing out different content to put up on the channel. So till next video, peace.